An ectopic pregnancy is a dangerous complication. It is important for you to know the first signs of an ectopic pregnancy. Stay tuned. The first signs of an ectopic pregnancy are exactly the same as the first signs of a normal pregnancy. There are no signs that will tell you with 100% certainty whether you have an ectopic pregnancy or not. So if you are suspicious, see your doctor right away. If you are currently pregnant, there are 3 possibilities for the type of pregnancy you might have. Type 1 is a normal pregnancy in the uterus. Type 2 is a pregnancy that is in the uterus but is going to miscarry, and Type 3 is an ectopic pregnancy, where the embryo has implanted outside of the uterus. Vaginal bleeding and pain in the abdomen or pelvis are the first signs of an ectopic pregnancy that might be different than a normal, healthy pregnancy. However, these signs are also the first signs of a miscarriage, so you still might not be able to tell the difference. If your pain is distinctly one-sided, left or right, then it is more suspicious for an ectopic pregnancy. Vaginal bleeding from a miscarriage tends to be heavy with clots, whereas bleeding from an ectopic pregnancy tends to be lighter and sometimes is just spotting. An ectopic pregnancy that grows large enough may rupture your fallopian tube and cause bleeding inside of your abdomen. If you have sudden severe pain and then become dizzy, lightheaded, or pass out, this could mean you are losing a lot of blood. This is a medical emergency. Get to a hospital immediately. Whether you have signs for an ectopic pregnancy or not, you should be more suspicious that you have an ectopic if you have had an ectopic before, if you've ever had surgery on your fallopian tubes, if you have a history of infertility or have a history of an infection with chlamydia or gonorrhea. Other factors that are seen more commonly in women with ectopic pregnancy are cigarette smoking, endometriosis, or if you are over the age of 35 or are very overweight. Everybody always assumes that once they get pregnant that everything will turn out fine. The truth is that there are a lot of early pregnancy complications like ectopic pregnancy and miscarriage that you need to learn about. If you are trying to conceive, view this playlist now to learn all about these problems. But before you go, be sure to like this video. If you have questions or an idea for a future episode, leave it in the comments. And you should definitely subscribe to Infertility TV now for new episodes weekly. It's like having a fertility specialist in your phone.